Is TCL Google TV an Android TV? Let's clarify. Yes, TCL Google TVs are Android TVs. They operate on the Android TV platform, which now includes the Google TV interface, a more personalized and content-focused version of Android TV. This platform provides access to the Google Play Store, where you can download apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. It also supports features like Chromecast built-in and Google Assistant for voice control and smart home integration. While TCL offers other smart TV models with platforms like Roku TV, their Google TV lineup specifically runs on Android TV. This makes them a great choice if you're looking for app variety, customization, and seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. If you want an affordable Android TV experience, TCL Google TV is a solid option. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.